Hey there, my name's Chris and this is Garden Steading, my channel where I'm going to be setting up some vegetable gardens, having moved out of the city in an apartment to a rural property with a real garden where I can be a little bit more self-sustainable and hopefully grow my own food, which is a very, very exciting prospect. Now, I have been lucky enough to buy an established property with some really cool fruit trees like the macadamia here you see behind me. Not to mention we've got some citrus, we've got some mangoes, but I want a full fruit orchard in eventually so that I'm getting fruit and vegetables all year round. Now, hopefully I can inspire you to try out something new, something a little bit different, like putting in a little nectarine, a little miniature nectarine maybe. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see this, but I ordered some asparagus crowns and I've already got asparagus growing a couple of weeks later. That's pretty magical. This was my first attempt at broccoli and it didn't work out. These are still a work in progress, but golden raspberry, regular raspberry, we're even going to get some blackberries, blueberries and boysenberries in. I know it looks like a twig at the moment, but this will be a fig at some stage in the future if I haven't killed it. And I'm going to try out a lot of the native Australian bush tucker, which is food-bearing plants, which have been around for a long while and you may not have even heard of. So if you like all things gardening, growing, fruit and vegetables, self-sustainability, follow along and hopefully I'll have something worth sharing for you.